Feeling buried under Instagram tasks and wishing you had a trusty sidekick to help manage your page? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add an admin to your Instagram page, making teamwork a breeze. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the new page, select Accounts Center. Under Accounts Settings, select People. Now tap on Share Access to your account. To add an admin, select Invite. Type the name or username of the person you want to add as an admin in the search bar. Select the profile of the person you want to invite. Now, grant the person full control over your page by toggling on Allow Full Access. Finally, tap Give Access to send the invitation. The person you invited will receive a notification to accept the admin role. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Instagram page, paving the way for smoother content management and a stronger social media presence.